Here I have VIVO V20, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, just go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button battery saver. By tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set it to turn off when your device is up to 19% charged, and you can also set a schedule based on your percentage, and you can select at which battery percentage your device will enter power saving mode, so let it be maybe 25%. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.